Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best fuel additives in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best fuel additives that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the STA-BIL fuel treatment. STA-BIL fuel treatment is a well-rounded fuel additive that works in all gasoline engine applications. This means you can use it in cars, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and anything else you can think of. Its concentration is also strong, so you only need 5 ounces of the additive for every 5 gallons of gasoline. While the bottle is small, you don't need a lot of fuel additives to see the change you need. STA-BIL fuel treatment is unique because it performs well across the board. It cleans the engine's injectors, stabilizes fuel, and cleans fuel tanks. It's also one of the most affordable products and cleans a generous amount of fuel per ounce. Overall, it's a well-rounded product you can rely on. STA-BIL fuel treatment is excellent, but it doesn't perform well in every area. While it offers balanced performance for most engine applications, it fails to clean dense carbon deposits within its cylinders. Plus, if you have an engine with more than 4 cylinders, the performance drops off even more. If you need to clean your engine cylinders, consider Techron Concentrate Plus as an alternative. STA-BIL fuel treatment is an excellent product for someone that wants to maintain their vehicle. It's a great product to keep in your garage and use every 3,000 miles. If you like to keep up on fluid changes, you might as well add some STA-BIL fuel treatment into your routine. It doesn't clean engines with dense carbon deposits, but it will prevent them from building up in the first place. Moving on at number 4, we have the Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner is designed to enhance your driving experience. The solution increases your MPG, reduces gumming, and cleans your entire fuel system. While this solution does a lot for your vehicle, the primary function is to improve your vehicle's performance. You'll experience better acceleration from a more consistent fuel injection spray and a more stable idle. Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner is unique because it focuses on the performance of your vehicle while cleaning the system. Most fuel additives use the same chemicals to keep your system clean, but Redline has been using a formula that's proven to work since 1972. The company favors performance and ensures that cars perform as they're supposed to. Plus, with this fuel additive, you can run your vehicle on lower octane. For example, instead of 93, you can use 91. Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner is excellent, but it doesn't work for diesel vehicles. While the company is performance-oriented, we don't like how they left diesel engines out. Diesel engines have become more common in motorsports, which is why this is shocking. If you need a diesel alternative, Howe's Diesel Treat is a great alternative. Like Redline, it enhances the performance of diesel vehicles. Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner is for people that own sports cars. If you have a nice car that you like to take out a few times each year, this solution will keep the engine in excellent condition. Furthermore, if you drive an 8-cylinder engine every day, this product can help you save money in the long run by allowing you to use lower octane gasoline. At number 3, we have the Lucas Luke 10013 Fuel Treatment. Lucas Luke 10013 Fuel Treatment is a well-rounded fuel additive designed to clean your entire fuel system. The solution is made with P as the active detergent, which breaks down debris and carbon deposits. Overall, it gives your vehicle's fuel system a much-needed revival. It can increase your MPG and preserve the lifespan of your fuel tank and cylinders. Lucas Luke 10013 Fuel Treatment is unique because of the amount you get. While most products give you a few fluid ounces, Lucas Oil provides you with a gallon. If you use this product every 3,000 miles, as recommended by the brand, it can last years. For this reason, Lucas Luke 10013 fuel treatment is the best value. Lucas Luke 10013 fuel treatment is also one of the few additives that can help you pass emissions during inspection. If your vehicle is burning oil or running rich, it can bring compression back to normal. Lucas Luke 10013 fuel treatment is excellent for your fuel injectors and fuel system, but it doesn't remove carbon as well as advertised. While it removes small deposits built up within fuel injectors, it struggles to remove dense deposits that form around the pistons. If you have an older car that's never been cleaned before, you should use Techron Concentrate Plus instead. Lucas Luke 10013 fuel treatment is for shoppers that are looking for a one-time purchase. This is a product that you can keep in your garage for years and use as needed. Furthermore, you get enough fuel additive to last you well over a year or two, even if you commute for work. At number 2, we have the Techron Concentrate Plus. Techron Concentrate Plus is an excellent fuel additive for gasoline cars. It cleans every component that your fuel reaches, including the tank, cylinders, and fuel injectors. Unlike other Techron fuel additives, this version has a higher concentration of P. For this reason, Techron Concentrate Plus can reduce carbon buildup in your cylinders with ease. The company recommends using this solution once every 3,000 miles, making it cost-effective to use for the long term. The bottle also features a long neck, making it easy to pour it into your gas tank without needing a funnel. Techron Concentrate Plus is unique because of the P concentration. Most fuel additives clean small carbon deposits within the cylinders, injectors, and fuel tank. Still, most products are unable to dissolve more massive buildups. This makes Techron Concentrate Plus superior to most products. The only drawback to this product is its lack of versatility. Sure, it will clean your gasoline engine, but diesel vehicles are left out. If you like the strength of this solution but need a product for diesel vehicles, Howe's Diesel Treat is a great alternative. Like this Techron product, it dissolves dense carbon deposits. Techron Concentrate Plus is an excellent product for people with older vehicles. If you have a car that was produced before the 2000s, there is a good chance that thick carbon deposits are lining the cylinders. This makes this fuel additive the best choice because it removes the densest carbon deposits. And finally, at number 1, we have the Seafoam SF16 motor treatment. Seafoam SF16 motor treatment is one of the most popular fuel additives. The company was founded in 1942 to clean the engines of boats but broke into the automotive industry. While the formula was designed for boats, it works in every engine. From small engines to large diesel motors, the solution cleans the cylinders, fuel injectors, and crankcase. It's also a 100% pure petroleum blend and EPA approved. Seafoam SF16 motor treatment is unique because of the mixture. Unlike other fuel additives, this product is well-rounded. Instead of using it for one application, like your car, you can use it for any engine you have at home. Furthermore, it works in marine applications and for agricultural equipment too. It's also one of the most budget-friendly options, despite being one of the best brands in the industry. Seafoam SF16 motor treatment does what it's intended to do, but it's complicated to order. First and foremost, you can't return the product, even if you don't open it. Secondly, there are additional instructions you need to follow before it gets to your desired location. Overall, this makes the ordering process lengthy, which is frustrating for some shoppers. If you're looking for an alternative that's easier to order, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is a great alternative. It can be used for the same applications and does the same job. If you're looking for a simple fuel additive, Seafoam SF16 motor treatment is a great choice. The company has been around since 1942, and their product is cheap and efficient. It's also easy to use because you only have to add it to your fuel tank.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.